to find, number 4, digital articles and databases. When you click here, you will land on this page. This is a list of 120 paid subscription platforms which are available to currently enrolled students for your use, both when you're on campus and from home. Okay, but note, when you are at home, you will need to log in. These are paid platforms, so your login is the same login you use for Canvas. It's your student SSO, your student email address, which is .stu.edu. Okay, .stu.sjcc.edu. So when you're in here and when you're on campus, you will not be asked to log in, but from home you will have to log in to access these platforms. Now, which platform do you want to use? You have choices. Like I said, there are 120 paid platforms. You can browse them by subject using these menus at the top. So for an English class, for example, you might want to consider browsing them based on the topic of literature. Now, depending on your topic, you might choose a different subject. Okay, there are controversial issues and different ways to narrow the list of 120. So, but just for this purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to click literature, and you do have to hit search in order to narrow the list of platforms. So you can see now we're down to 32 recommended platforms with the subtopic of literature for English classes. Even though your topic may not be on a specific piece of literature, these are the general recommendations for language arts. And I'm going to very quickly demonstrate this one right here, Academic Search Complete. It's a broad database that has a little bit of information on almost every topic. It's multidisciplinary, meaning that it pulls from all the different subjects. So when you click here on the title, Academic Search Complete, again, this is where when you are at home, you will be required to log in. So it won't just load like this. You'll have a little pop-up that looks like you are logging into your SSO. You put in your email and your password as usual, and then you will land here. So let's say, for example, you are researching immigration enforcement. Okay, so I click here. Let's say this is my topic. I hit search. You can use filters to narrow your search, and all filters are here on this sidebar. Full text means the full article, not just the abstract, not just the summary. Especially when you're at home, you want the full text. You can also use all of these different facets to narrow. I strongly recommend you also look at publication date. Consider the past 12 months or the past 5 years, depending on the requirements from your instructor. Note that you do also need to hit apply down in the bottom right-hand corner to get to these results. You can choose any one of these articles. Let's say, for example, your instructor has told you that you need a peer-reviewed article. You can see peer-reviewed up here, and you can also use a filter to only get peer-reviewed articles right here. Okay, so we're going to apply that filter again. Now I only have peer-reviewed academic journals. That means research articles from professionals. So this filters out all the magazines, right? We don't want anything from Cosmopolitan Magazine, Time Magazine, Newsweek, right? We really want academic journals. So let's say we pick this one. Your full access is right here. You can choose either one of these. Online full text looks like a website. PDF looks like an actual print journal, the scan of a print journal page. PDFs often are a little more difficult for accessibility, so we always feature our online option. So this works really nicely with all those screen readers. And it's the exact same content that you can read here. You can also get your citation up here in the top right-hand corner. The icon looks like quotation marks, and when you hover, it says Cite. If you click here, your citation styles will pop up here. Make sure if you are in English or language arts classes, you scroll down to the MLA style for your citation. And here it is. You can copy it to your clipboard and go from there for your works cited page. So I hope that was helpful for a very quick demonstration. Please reach out to the library during our open hours or via phone or email if you have additional questions. Thank you so much.